Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Z and in this video I'm going to show you the complete workflow how you can make these type of animation without using any editing software and just by using the AI. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see that I have opened up the ChatGPT and over here I will import my manga panel or the character that I want to like animate. So go and add this. I'm using this one, and right here I'm writing that first you have to like remove its background, remove the background and add green screen, and don't change the position or and the color or any kind of color. Okay, like this. I've just tapped this so we can get a complete clear cutout, and along with that there should be no color changes or something like this. So it will take a little bit of time and it will generate you the image with a green background and complete cutout of our character. As we got our character like this, we you can see that we have just downloaded because we have gotten a complete clear cutout and with a green screen behind it. So after taking out the cutout, you have to import the same cutout, or you can just copy paste the prompt. You will get this prompt in the comment or in the description, so make sure and go and copy it. So in this prompt I have just written all the key points that we want, like the character face direction, like position, direction and everything. Like in this prompt the AI will analyze the whole image, and according to the image it will generate the prompt for the video how we want to animate it, and it will be based on the cutouts, like as we do in the CapCut and like in the light motion or in the After Effects. So as you will enter this prompt over here, you will get a complete image analysis. Along with that you will get a video prompt. So as you can see that we have gotten the head analysis, video prompt, and all the things. Like I'm not explaining that, you just have to copy paste this prompt again. So for the video, you just have to copy paste this prompt, then go and search the Flow AI. Like this, we'll click on this Flow AI, and this type of interface you will face. So click on New Project to get a new project, then go over here and click on this plus option, then go and upload media, and over here you have to upload your green screen green screen character, like the cutout that we have taken out. So as you uploaded that, you can click on it, or you can go again, click on this plus and add this to the prompt. And now you have to paste the prompt that you have copied before for the video. As you paste it, so you have to go on this and select the 9:16 ratio. First we will use the Omni Flash, then we will use the VO 3.1 fast. So let's generate it in the Omni Flash and just click onto the never, so you can just directly like generate the videos. You hit the enter and there you go, it will start generating the video. So it will take a little bit of time and it will generate the video. So now let's see what our result are. So here you go, he has generated our video. So let's click on it and let's play it. So yeah, it's looking pretty much good and we can use this in our edit. So you can create any manga clips. I'm using this because I don't because of the copyright reason. If you use any other anime character and explain it here, you will get a copyright. So as first we use the Omni Flash, now we will use the 3.1. So let's click on it and let's generate it. Add the image again into the prompt and copy paste the same prompt and just hit the generate. So we will use the VO 3.0. Sometimes it's just doesn't generate it, so just type that I want to generate it from the VO 3.1 fast, so it will generate you the video. So here you go, there's a second video. Let's play it out. It's a little bit laggy, but yes, there you go, and it's looking pretty much clean, good. But it's not like the thing that we do in the CapCut or in the light motion, but because it's AI, and by using this you can also generate these similar type of things. So it's looking pretty much good, and you can use this and you edit if you want to use them. It depends on you guys. And here is another example. Like I have used the hex field. It is not free, so if anyone has the hex field access, you can also generate this type of animation from the hex field, and it's look pretty much good, and you can use this in a lot of things. And this was just a green screen character animation. You can also make a complete manga, a complete anime animation by using the same steps. Okay, I hope that in this video you have find something for yourself which will help you to generate more of these manga animation. And if you try those, make sure to mention me. I will go and check it out. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Although if you have any queries or any questions, so you can comment down below, I will answer that. And although if you want any specific video or any specific tutorial on these type of things, so make sure to mention it also in the comments. So that's all for today's video, and peace out.